I see it is, it's all about leadership. It's all about leadership. It is the leader that actually, to me, it's the leader that influences the behavior and the mindset of the people in the organization. Strong kasi ang personality ni President Duterte noon. And during the time din kasi parang hopeless na rin ang situation na you file a case, tapos madi-dismiss lang. No? Alam mo na itong taon na to involved sa drugs, tapos malalaman mo, magugulat ka lang na na-dismiss. Paano na-dismiss? Because of this, frustrations, then you end up looking for a quick solution. No? Not only to find out from a strategic standpoint, hindi na rin tama kasi it's not actually sustainable. And at the same time, later on, nagkakaroon ng backlash. And that's precisely what happened. Nalaman yung mga ibang katotohanan na mali-mali yung execution, mali-mali yung mga reports, talagang merong mga intentional na mga ginawang pagpatay.